At what age did Granny learn climbing? At the age of 6. Who taught her the art of climbing trees? Granny's brother. How old was she when she last climbed a tree? At the age of 62. In which season did she get trapped in a tree? Summer season. For how long was she advised to take a rest after being rescued? A week. Who made a treetop house for her? The poet and his father. What things does the narrator carry to his granny's treetop house? Glasses, tray, sherry. We sighed with relief and tucked her up well. Poor granny, for her it was like a brief season in hell, confined to her bedroom, while every breeze whispered of summer and dancing lips. Why did the narrator and his family sigh in relief? The narrator and his family sighed in relief as doctor sent Granny to a bed rest for a week. Why was Granny confined to bed? Why did she find a brief season in hell? Granny was confined to bed because she was unable to get down from the tree and rescued by her family and was advised by the doctor to take a rest of about 1 week. She found it a brief season in hell because she could not climb the trees during this bed rest. How did she finally get rid of this season in hell? She felt as if she was spending the entire season in hell. After the week, she asked her son, told her son to build a tree house so that she could enjoy the nature again. But it was feared by all that one day she would have a terrible fall. The outcome was different. What did everyone fear? Everyone was feared by the thought that one day Granny will climb the tree and might have a terrible fall from the tree as she was an aged woman. The outcome was different. What was this outcome? How was it different from what everyone had expected? The outcome was that Granny was unable to climb down off a tree. आउटकम था कि ग्रैनी उतर नहीं पाए थे. It was beyond everyone expectations that grandmother could have a terrible fall from tree. ये एक्सपेक्टेशन से बाहर था कि वो ग्रैंडमदर नहीं उतर पाएगी. But one day she remained unable to come down from tree. पेड़ से उतर नहीं पा रहे थे and somehow rescued by the family members. और फैमिली मेम्बर से रेस्क्यू किया गया था. What did the outcome lead to? आउटकम से क्या हुआ था? आउटकम क्या हुआ था उस चीज़ का? The outcome lead to Granny is rise in temperature and confining to bed by the doctor. Horse question. The poet says every breeze whispered of summer and dancing leaves. Discuss with your partner how breeze can whisper and leaves dance. Which figure of speech has been used here? पोएट ने यूज़ किया है कि ब्रीज व्हिस्पर कर रही है एंड लिप्स डांस कर रही है. तो यहाँ पर कौन सा फिगर ऑफ स्पीच भी यूज्ड हुआ है और क्यों ऐसा बोला गया है? Answer. Ruskin Bond is a great Indian writer and the bridge and leaves are not living things and they cannot perform humanly actions. Ruskin Bond एक great Indian writer है. ब्रिज और लिप्स कभी ह्यूमन थिंग्स की तरह परफॉर्म नहीं कर, ह्यूमन बींग्स की तरह परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते, ह्यूमनली परफॉर्म्स एक्शंस परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. लिप्स एंड ब्रिज कैन नॉट व्हिस्पर और डांस. लिप्स और ब्रिज व्हिस्पर भी नहीं कर सकते, डांस भी नहीं कर सकते. बट द राइटर रस्किन बॉन्ड had given such living actions to these non-living things. The figure of speech used in this sentence is personification, and such living things are expressed as human beings. Life skills. Granny likes living in a treetop house more than living in an ordinary house. If you get a chance to live in a treetop house, अगर तुमको भी ऐसा चांस मिलेगा, what problems would you face while living there and what things would be enjoy? कौन सा चीज़ enjoy कर पाओगे और कौन सा चीज़ प्रॉब्लम मुसीबत में आ सकता है. Living in a treetop house is quite a unique and thrilling experience. However, there may be some challenges in living in a treetop house. Let's weigh a few of the pros and cons of living in a treetop house. If I had to live in a treetop house, I would live in the freshness of nature. I would also get to enjoy the melodious warbling of the birds living in the trees. Living in the seclusion would remain undisturbed, free to follow my heart's passion, such as reading. Living in the treetop house would also be challenging. The greatest challenge would climb up and down the tree. At times might get fed up of my seclusion and might feel the need to talk to my family members. On a windy day, I would get scared of the too much swaying of the tree. Thus, living in treetop house would have both disadvantages and advantages. Values. Grandparents are always very dear to their grandchildren. What all do you do to spend quality time with the grandparents? तुम क्या करते हो grandparents के साथ टाइम बिताने के लिए? तुम्हारा क्या घर में क्या करते हो उनके साथ? As we know, grandparents are always very dear to grandchildren. So to spend quality time with them, we can tell them to tell stories of their life, their experience by playing with them, and also by learning new things by them which we don't know. Also go out to places like park or else speak to them by which they feel happy. Grandparents feel happy when we spend time with them. They don't want any luxurious life or living anything. They only want a happy life. Writing skills. Imagine yourself to be granny. Write a diary entry expressing your ardent wish to climb trees and your family disapproved of it. सोचो कि तुम ग्रानी हो, एक डायरी एंट्री लिखो कि एक्सप्रेस तुमको ट्री में चढ़ना है और तुम्हारा जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स है तुमको प्रिवेंट कर रहे हैं उस काम को करने के लिए. तो राइट ए डायरी एंट्री. कोई डेट टाइम पहले बिठा देना है. डियर डायरी, टुडे इट वाज अ स्पेशल डे ऑफ माय लाइफ. आई एक्सप्रेस माय आर्डेंट विश टू माय फैमिली मेम्बर्स टू क्लाइंब अप ऑन द ट्रीज after spending 1 week of complete bed rest prescribed by the doctor. Today I am telling about my ardent wish to climb trees. I love tree climbing since the age of 6. Unfortunately, my family members disapproved of it, but I don't care. I have decided to tell my son to build a treetop house. In this way, I can live near to the tree. Good night. some inner questions with answers. What does the poem by Ruskin Bond Granny's Tree Climbing deal with? The poem deals with Granny's deep love for trees. Why is poet's granny called a genius? Poet calls his granny genius as she could climb any kind of tree quite easily. How did Granny learn it? Granny learned it to climb tree for from her elder brother at the age of 6. What did Granny decline to pay heed to? Granny declined to pay heed to the advice that in old age she could not climb trees. What was always feared? It was always feared that she must fall from the tree one day. What happened when she was alone at home? Granny climbed a tree but failed to come down. Why did she fall ill? She fell ill because one day she climbed a tree but could not get down from it until her family member rescued her. How long was Granny confined to bed? Granny was confined to bed for a week. What did everyone expect? Everyone expected that confinement to bed would curb Granny's urge to climb trees. What did Granny declare in the long run? Out of frustration, Granny declared that all she wanted was a house on the treetop. Was Granny's wish fulfilled? Poet's dutiful father had no other way than to bow before her demand, and with the help of the poet, he built a beautiful house on the treetop of her for her mother. What happened thereafter? The poet's granny was moved into the treetop house, and the poet had to carry food for her there. Hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay connected. Thank you so much.